Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're all about flawless eye makeup that lasts all day, you've clicked on the right video. Let's talk about something that promises precision and drama, Kiko Milano's Definition Eyeliner. This liquid eyeliner claims to give you that sharp, defined look we all want, with the bonus of staying put all day long. But does it live up to the hype? Keep watching to find out. Kiko Milano's Definition Eyeliner is all about precision, and it starts with its fine tip applicator. The felt tip brush is flexible, giving you full control with each stroke. It's designed for those of us who want a sharp, defined line, whether you're going for a sleek cat eye or a bold wing. But what sets this product apart is that it promises intense, rich color with a deep black pigment. One swipe and you're supposed to have that dramatic, smudge-free look we're all after. Now, let's dive into my experience. First off, I'm a big fan of eyeliner that's easy to apply. No one has time for messy smears. I tried it both in the morning rush and after a long day, and I have to say, the quick-drying formula really impressed me. It dried within seconds, so no worrying about it smearing when you blink or mess up the application. The texture of the eyeliner is smooth and velvety, which makes the application feel almost effortless. I didn't need to go over the line multiple times, which is a huge win for anyone who's always on the go. In terms of staying power, this one's a keeper. I wore it through a busy day of meetings and lunch with friends, and I didn't notice any fading or transfer onto my eyelids. Smudge-resistant? Absolutely. Even with my tendency to touch my eyes throughout the day, the eyeliner stayed put, and I didn't have to do any touch-ups. That's a solid 10 in my book for all-day wear. However, there's a little room for improvement. I noticed that while the eyeliner is long-lasting, the applicator's fine tip can sometimes make it tricky for those who prefer a thicker line. So if you're more into bold, wide strokes, this might require a little more precision than you're used to. But for those of us who love a fine line or a precise flick, this is a game changer. Pros: the fine tip applicator gives you maximum control, and the intense black pigment gives you that dramatic look with one swipe. Plus, it dries quickly and stays put, two major must-haves for anyone who doesn't want to deal with smudges. On the flip side, if you prefer a thicker line or more dramatic strokes, you might need to work a little harder to build up the intensity. And while I didn't experience any irritation, it's worth mentioning that if you have sensitive eyes, you might want to test it first. As for value for money, Kiko Milano's eyeliner comes in at a reasonable price point for its performance. Compared to other high-end liners that promise similar features, this one's a steal. The formula delivers what it promises: no flaking, no smudging, and it lasts all day, which makes it worth every penny. There are a lot of liquid eyeliners out there, but this one definitely stands out in terms of the ease of application and wearability. Some may find that higher-end brands offer more pigment intensity in a single stroke, but for the price, Kiko Milano delivers. If you're looking for a reliable eyeliner that won't break the bank, this is definitely worth considering. If you're searching for cheaper alternatives, there are a few drugstore brands that offer similar long-lasting formulas, like Maybelline's Master Precise Liquid Eyeliner. However, keep in mind that Kiko Milano's fine tip applicator and its smudge-resistant formula may be a step up in quality, especially if you prefer a precise application. So does it live up to its claims? Yes, it certainly does. The Kiko Milano Definition Eyeliner delivers on precision, intensity, and long-lasting wear. I highly recommend it to anyone looking for a reliable, smudge-free eyeliner that can keep up with a busy day. Whether you're a makeup beginner or a seasoned pro, this product is designed to meet your needs. If this review helped you decide whether this product's for you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you'll be notified whenever we upload more honest, in-depth reviews. Your support helps us keep making videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this eyeliner, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. And as always, stay beautiful inside and out.